What's good, YouTube? It's a typical YouTuber doing typical YouTube shit, and I am back with another reaction video. And today we got Wang Yibo making random noises. This video right here was recommended by Andrea M. Shout out to you. Here's your crown. Your comment be right here. You told me to check this out because Yibo was a sound effect master. So we're gonna check this out and see what he's on today. But before we do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend to subscribe, and whoop, run my numbers up, man. Run them up like you on a treadmill, run them up like you on track and field, you feel me? And as well, follow your boy on Instagram at _ARE.T. Once again, that is _ARE.T. And as well, real quick, I just wanted to inform you guys that I do have a Twitter. A lot of you guys do recommend videos that are on Twitter, so you can follow me there at Kenshi Lebowski. So if you have a Twitter, go ahead, follow me. I'll be more active on there. You can ask me questions, send me recommendations through there as well. So hey, as well, click the link in the description. I know I have so many social medias. Click the link in the description. It's going to take you over to the Facebook page where you can watch all my reaction videos that have been taken down. I'm going to be uploading more this upcoming week. Got a Facebook exclusive. And as well, real quick, I do have a big announcement coming Sunday. This Sunday actually will be October 17th, so I will be making a big announcement October 17th, so mark the days in your calendars because y'all gonna be really excited for this. So hopefully you all tune in for that big announcement, and we about to get into this video. Right here we got the video of him making random sound effects, so let's lock in and get into it. Okay, first of all, no one should judge Yibo making random noises. I know you. Yeah, hold on, no, not you. You accepted. You accepted. Excuse me. Y'all accepted. Nice hair. Excuse me. You right there. Don't be acting like you don't make random noises when nobody's around. Don't be acting like you ain't get a broomstick and act like you was in Star Wars. Don't do that. We all make random noises. I accepted, and so should you. Because Yibo obviously accepts it himself. Just in his own little world. First of all, this sound effect here, right here, with the sword, and going to pick. First of all, have anyone seen The Matrix, or seen any movie with cool special effects, or a cartoon? We all know that we've been here and go ping, 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 like you're dodging, like you're knocking bullets out the air or hitting raindrops. So once again, don't judge him. Don't. All right, we all done it. I may have done it today. And so what? So I like how they got the Mario sound effect in the back. Once again, right there, we're not going to act like we wasn't talking in the ceiling fans, pretending that we T-Pain. We're not, or sounding like a robot. We're not about to sit there and pretend, all right? We're not about to do that. I will do that immediately. My inner childishness will not be contained. If I see a ball pit, we jumping in it. If I see a slide, we're going down it. Get excited when I see swings, okay? Love to still have ice cream. All these things make me me. If he wants to talk into a fan and make sound effects, he can. Who are you to judge us? Damn shame. I've done this too. You know you've meowed before if a cat is near just to see if it'll come near you, thinking you have cat superpowers. See? Alright. You really sound like a bike. Hold on, you really sound like a bike. That's crazy. Hold on. That's crazy. You know what? If okay. That's just fire. That's just fire. I'm gonna replay this for you guys one more time because when you're fire, you get replays. You know. Fire. I don't know what this sound effect is. Maybe it's a robot. Like, oh, maybe like if y'all watch SpongeBob. I hope y'all watch SpongeBob. But you know, Mr. Krabs, when he was trying to request the song on the radio and he was making robot sounds, and SpongeBob was like, "I told you, Squidward, he is a robot." I told you I'm childish. That just reminds me of that. I'm sorry. Don't touch me. Dun 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 dun. That's one of the best sound effects ever done. 一刀，然后再一剑，还有一个，然后再一打，然后又一个脖子，还有一下。If y'all have this original video, please send it to me. I need to see why he was doing that. I need one of those cordless fans. You sound like a cat, you sound like a bite. This still is weird. Like, it's not weird, it's cool. Like, it just catches me off guard. That was perfect. Man, I got too many damn talents. Like I always ask y'all, if you're a new subscriber, tell me what your new talent is. And like I said, I dance and do other things. I can make people laugh. I can do reactions. I can sleep good. Don't judge. But yeah, what's some of you guys' talents? I want to know. Comment down below. But this was cool to see. This was dope. Like to see other things he can do. Like I said, I enjoy watching his videos that show off his talent. So it's dope to see this. But hey, I'm about to get out of here, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. And whoop, run my numbers up, man. Run them up. And as well, don't forget, follow your boy on Instagram at _ARE.T. Once again, that's _ARE.T. As well as if you do have the recommendations that are on Twitter, you can follow me on Twitter at Kenji Lebowski. Just at Kenji Lebowski. Just take my YouTube name, paste it into Twitter, and I should pop up for you. It should say Retro Booming. You feel me? That's me. And also click the link in the description. It's going to take you over to the Facebook page where you can see content that's been taken down. Have you seen it? Rewatch it. If you haven't, got something new to watch. If you don't have a Facebook, you're going to be limited on what you can see. So make sure you sign up on Facebook for the right price of free. You feel me? And as well, drink your water. Like I always say, much love, much happiness, and blessings. Mwah.